sure. Welcome back to the Leister channel. We put together 7 practical applications using hot air to show you how it's done Leister style. First application, we got shrinking. Second application, fold stage. Third application, butt welding. Over here, the fourth one, we got extruding. Overlap welding. Little SMD, plastic welding. And we're going to show you how we can get air really hot, really fast. Let's give it a go. Rivet, metal part. One piece. Throw them a couple in the stream, 70 degrees. Throw them a couple in the air, 67 degrees. Fire it up, watch the temperature go. Fire it up, watch the temperature go. 7 gigawatts. Thousand degrees. You've seen 7 different applications. Crazy fast, huh? We never like doing anything without having a little bit of fun.